GTRC 2022, in single word, wow. The number of countries represented and a number of the major stakeholders in the world rubber industry represented, and also we can see a cross section of the whole value chain of the world rubber industry there.
It was astonishing to see how much is going on in the Indian market, how much research is done, and what is there is a general overview and also the kind of topics tackled. We saw a wide range of economic analysis of the Indian market, of the world market. In the next few years, India, I think, will be one of the places where a lot of action is happening concerning the industry as a whole. And it will be important and interesting to be present and be part of that story.
The best part is that the possibilities, used possibilities to connect, the face-to-face interaction, to build up a relationship with customers and stakeholders. That is the most important revenue of this event. And also there are a lot of very nice and good presentations. So it's also it will cause a lot of discussions, of course, but especially the networking capability of this event is important. And we from Europe, we realize that networking through the internet, it is not possible in countries like India or in the Asia Pacific region.
Going by the large turnout, it is so encouraging to see, old friends and colleagues and known faces come to the GTRC platform to make it what it is, an established platform for the tire industry.